Stop wasting time and start taking control of your day. Time is one of the most valuable resources we have, and once it's gone, we can't get it back. So let's make every second count and start mastering your day. Imagine the satisfaction of checking off every task on your to-do list and having a well-organized schedule that keeps you on track. Here are 5 life hacks everyone needs in 2024. These tips are designed to help you maximize your productivity, keep your home clean, maintain your health, manage your finances, and stay organized. First up, the Pomodoro technique. This method is a game changer for anyone looking to boost their productivity. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This cycle helps maintain focus and prevents burnout. It's amazing how much you can accomplish when you break your work into manageable intervals. You'll be amazed at how much you get done. By the end of the day, you'll have a sense of accomplishment seeing all those tasks crossed off your list. Next, let's talk DIY household tips. Keeping your home clean doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. Did you know vinegar and baking soda are your best friends? These common household items are incredibly versatile and can be used for a variety of cleaning tasks. Use vinegar to clean almost anything. It's great for windows, countertops, and even as a fabric softener. Plus, it's eco-friendly and non-toxic. And baking soda to keep your home smelling fresh. Sprinkle it on carpets before vacuuming or place an open box in the fridge to absorb odors. On to health and wellness. Taking care of your body and mind is crucial for overall well-being. Simple exercises and a bit of meditation can do wonders. Incorporate stretching into your daily routine to improve flexibility and reduce tension. Even just 10 minutes a day can keep stress at bay. Meditation helps clear your mind and can significantly reduce stress levels. It's a small-time investment with huge benefit. Budgeting and saving, try the 50-30-20 rule. This simple budgeting method can help you manage your finances effectively. While spend 50% on needs like rent, groceries, and utilities, 30% on wants, such as dining out, entertainment, and hobbies, and save 20%. Easy, right? This way you ensure you're saving for the future while still enjoying the present. Lastly, productivity tools. Apps like Todoist and gadgets like smart planners can keep you organized and on top of your game. These tools help you prioritize tasks and manage your time efficiently. There you have it. 5 life hacks to make 2024 your best year yet. Implement these tips and you'll see a significant improvement in your daily life. Go on, give them a try. You'll be surprised at how these small changes can lead to big results. Here's to a more productive, organized, and stress-free year ahead. One more tip for you. Establish a morning routine. Starting your day with a set routine can set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Whether it's a healthy breakfast, some light exercise, or a few minutes of meditation, a morning routine can help you feel more grounded and ready to tackle the day. Take a few minutes to plan your day. Write down your top priorities and any tasks you need to complete. This can help you stay focused and organized throughout the day. And don't forget to take a moment for yourself. Enjoy a cup of coffee, read a book, or simply sit in silence. Starting your day with a bit of self-care can make a big difference in your overall well-being. By incorporating these life hacks into your daily routine, you'll find yourself more productive, organized, and less stressed. Here's to making 2024 your best year yet. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Every step forward is progress, and acknowledging your achievements can keep you motivated and on track. Set clear goals for the year and visualize your success. Having a clear vision of what you want to achieve can help you stay focused and driven. With these life hacks, you're well on your way to a more productive, organized, and fulfilling year. Here's to a fantastic 2024. Remember, it's the small changes that can lead to big results. Start implementing these tips today and watch your life transform. Good luck and happy hacking. Another great tip is to set up a weekly planner. This helps you see the bigger picture and plan your week effectively. Organizing your workspace can also boost your productivity. A clutter-free workspace leads to a clutter-free mind. Take a few minutes each day to tidy up your desk and organize your files. This small habit can make a big difference in your efficiency. Use a whiteboard to jot down your goals and tasks. Having a visual reminder can keep you motivated and on track. Plus, it's satisfying to erase tasks once they're completed. Don't forget to take breaks and get some fresh air. A short walk outside can refresh your mind and boost your creativity. It's a simple way to recharge during a busy day. Stay hydrated and eat healthy snacks. Keeping your body fueled with water and nutritious food can improve your focus and energy levels throughout the day. Set a timer for regular breaks. Taking short breaks can prevent burnout and keep you productive. Use this time to relax, stretch, or enjoy a cup of tea. At the end of the day, take a moment to reflect. Write down what you accomplished and what you're grateful for. This practice can help you end the day on a positive note and prepare for tomorrow. With these additional tips, you're even more equipped to make 2024 your best year yet. Remember, it's the small, consistent actions that lead to big changes. Here's to a productive, organized, and fulfilling year ahead. Start implementing these life hacks today and watch your life transform. Good luck and happy hacking.